What is going on, everybody? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the 4 best ways to style the UNC University Blue Air Jordan 1s that just got released a couple of days ago. And let me tell you right now, these are one of the best Air Jordan 1s to ever drop. I'm going to say that now. Now, let's get into the first outfit. As for the top, I went with a sky blue and white flannel shirt. This shirt is actually a relaxed fit flannel overshirt. This shirt has a lapel collar with long sleeves with button cuffs. This shirt also has a chest pocket and it has about 7 buttons on the shirt. The reason why I went with this shirt because I think it goes with these sneakers very well with the lace swamp. With the sky blue panels and the white shoelaces on the sneaker, I just think this shirt is just a home run as far as matching up with the sneaker. This shirt is actually an extra large. I could have went with a large, but when I wear flannels, I like to wear things underneath. So I need that extra space, that extra room. I either like to rock t-shirts and sometimes, depending on season, I like to rock hoodies under my flannels. Going a size up with flannel shirts just gives me so many options to rock things underneath. And in this case, I got me a plain white long fit t-shirt from H&M. And as far as the jeans, I also got the jeans from H&M as well too. These jeans has a regular waist and skinny legs, skinny fit. These are 5-pocket jeans washed and stretched denim. And these are very distressed. They have a lot of rips and tears in them, running all the way up from the upper thigh all the way down to the bottom of the knee section. When looking for a bottom with this outfit, I wanted to go with a light blue color because I wanted the whole outfit to look as light as possible, and I just think these jeans are perfect with this shirt. We done been through a lot of cold months. I think it's time to bring out the ripped jeans, and these jeans are just perfect, light colored. The whole outfit just looks fire. It gives you a light feeling. This is spring all the way with this outfit. I love this outfit. Now, as far as the second outfit, let's go through the top. I just got me a light blue sweater from H&M. This is a very soft sweater, very loose fit as well. It has ribbon on the neckline, cuffs, and also at the hem on the shirt. And the inside of the actual sweater feels very comfortable as well too. It's very soft, made with very soft material. Wearing this shirt kind of reminds me of wearing Uggs. You know how I got the fur inside the Ugg boot? This is how this shirt feels. Very comfortable. And one of my favorite things about this sweater is that you can wear this sweater in mild weather. You know, this isn't like a thick shirt that you could just wear out in, you know, in the middle of December. You know what I mean? This is a nice, easy breezy sweater. Like, you can literally feel the air pass through the sweater. You know, I promise you this sweater will not be a problem with months like March, April's, the Mays. But as a light blue colorway, it looks fantastic with the sneaker. Now, as far as the bottom, we got some cargo joggers. These joggers are actually khaki green and it has a drawstring on the waistline of the joggers. It has diagonal side pockets and welt back pockets, and these joggers are actually regular fit, so they feel real comfortable in the leg area. One of my favorite things about this jogger is that it is hemmed at the bottom of the pants, and me personally, I love making my socks show when I rock Jordans. When you rock these pants, you can just pull them up a little bit and let the Nike socks show a little bit, swag on them just a little bit. The reason why I went with khaki green because I wanted to give this outfit just a little bit of personality, you know what I mean? I'm not trying to wear all sky blue outfit, you know what I mean? It just looks silly. So with the khaki green joggers, it kind of, you know, it draws the eye a little bit and it gives you a nice contrast as far as the colors. Now, as far as the third outfit, I went with regular fit sweat shorts. These black sweat shorts are made with 100% cotton. It does have a drawstring on the waistband. You do have 3 pockets, 2 on the sides and 1 on the back. These are regular fit and they're pretty true to size. So if you get your true to size waist size, these shorts will be above your kneecaps, and those are like my favorite style of sweat shorts. Feels very comfortable. It actually has brushed material inside the short, so you will be feeling nice and free and comfortable. And as far as the top, we're going to talk about a shirt that I got from Spencer's. It only cost me $30. It is a Tupac Poetic Justice shirt. And all you 90s babies out there, as far as this shirt, you guys should know exactly what I'm talking about. This shirt is long sleeve. On one sleeve, it says nobody can make it. The other sleeve says out here alone. In front of the t-shirt, it does have a picture of Tupac with the words Poetic Justice behind it. One of my favorite parts about this t-shirt is that it has a mixture of colors on the front of the shirt. You do see some sky blue, but you also see a little bit of aqua blue blue, and you also see some purple as well too. This shirt is just very, very dope. You know, graphic tees are in right now. It's been in since like last year. It ain't going nowhere anytime soon. And the whole long sleeve with shorts is like my favorite combination as far as, you know, springtime. I just love the way it looks. And of course, you gotta have the Nike socks. You gotta, you know what I mean, fold them down just a little bit, just to, you know, so it won't ride as high, so you won't look as weird. And for the last outfit, this is probably one of my favorite outfits overall. And to start with the bottom, I'm going with the slim fit joggers that I got from Zara. These joggers are all gray. It does have an elastic waistband. It does have an adjustable drawstring. It comes with front pockets, and you also do get a zippered back pocket as well. And it also has seam details on the legs as well too. One of my favorite things about these joggers is that you can actually pull these joggers up and just, you know, let the socks show just a little bit, because that's what I love to do with joggers. I love to let my socks show. These are slim fit and they feel so comfortable, very, very comfortable. And working our way up top, this is a combination coat that I also got from Zara. This coat actually has long pocket sleeves, well, pockets at the hip, but also has pockets in the interior as well. But one of the most interesting things about this coat is it actually has a detachable double collar. This collar inside the coat, you can actually zip it up. You can zip it up this collar and still rock this coat unbuttoned. And let's just say you don't like the collar. Let's just say, like, James, I'm not feeling the collar. Very well. You can actually unzip in the collar and just take off the collar and just toss it to the side and just rock the coat as is. This coat is very versatile, very, very sick, and I just love the gray colorway with this coat. It just looks amazing. And lastly, I just got a, you know, a regular blue shirt that I got from Old Navy just to give the sneakers some contrast. So overall, there goes my 4 looks for the Air Jordan 1 University Blue. Make sure you guys let me know, how do you feel about these outfits? Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.